I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. So we had 4 swing trade wins in just a couple of days, and I'm going to show you how we did that in the chat room. Alright, before we get into that, this is Pinnacle Trading YouTube site right here, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified so that you don't miss a video whenever it comes out. And make sure to follow us on the social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can also join Robinhood. That's the trading app that I use for stocks and options, ETFs, and all of that. And you get a free stock when you use my link right here. And make sure to check out the website, pinnacletrading.us. And you can look at the website right here and check out a membership. And you can grab one of our simple priced memberships right here. The gold one includes the options and swing trading alerts. That's the one our members mainly like. And the diamond one includes a one-to-one mentorship access, which has 30 minutes of mentorship per week. And if you're just looking for swing trading alerts, you can also get the silver one. And this is just monthly pricing. We have no contracts. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the 4 trades. So the first one was UGAS, and that's natural gas. That's the one going up. And there's also the D-gas. We traded both. So first one, UGAS, entry was at 54.50 that I called out, and that was right here, and had a nice chance on the daily to get in. I called it out early and ran all the way to that 57 area. Profits were alerted at that 56 area, but it ran all the way to 57 on that day, and still running up all the way to 60. So it's a nice swing trade or a day trade if you can capture that swing overnight. And the next one is going to be D-gas. So when that was going up, called it out, and D-gas was getting pretty sold, so got it at that 27 mark and got that alert right here, and then ran all the way to that 29 the next day, and profits were alerted right here at that 28 break. So after it broke up right there, ran all the way to that 29.85, couldn't break that 30, and then came back down again. So it took profits there. Next one is going to be DHI. Entry was alerted at 43 on the low right here, and saw that bullish pattern or bullish flag right there forming, so got in below that 43. I called it out anywhere to get in below, and ran all the way up to that 44.90 right here the next day. So most of these usually hold for 1 or 2 days, maybe a couple days, or 1 to 2 weeks. That's usually what swing trading is. But a lot of these you can get profit when something's oversold like this. Sell on the spike next day, get that profit, and enjoy the day. So ran all the way up to the 44.80, 44.90 area. Profits were alerted right there. And AMD was the next one. It wasn't a big mover. Recently had earnings, but haven't held into that. So alerted the entry at around 10 mark, and next day ran all the way up to 10.35. I alerted take profits at 10.30 break and ran all the way to 10.35. So gave her memberships user a couple, decent amount of time to take that profits, and then we saw profit taking later in the day, breaking below the VWAP right here to 10.3. So alerted numerous times. If you see going below that, take profits there. So that was from Friday to Tuesday. Today, right now, it's April 26th. Well, I'm doing this AM, so basically Wednesday night or Thursday early morning, 12:16 AM. So those were from Friday to Tuesday. So just 3 days, 4 big winners, and you could have held you guys a little more until 60, but I like to take profits early and then call it a day and look for the next trade, get that quick capture. So this is what the swing trading alerts will look like. I'll have the entry, exit, profit target, and I'll alert the stop loss. So we have the entry right here, alerted the exit right here, 27.75, 28 target. So kept going up to the 29 area. And I'll alert, take majority of profits, and alert it lifetime so that you guys have time to get in and out of that trade. I try to alert it early as I can. And we also have day trading alerts, long-term investing alerts, and options alerts as well. And we have the nice membership members chat only and options chat for whichever one you like to use. You can talk to other members, you can ask me questions or message me directly, and I'll get back to you quick. We also have our watch list here. So that's what the alerts will look like. You can go over to the pinnacletrading.us to grab a membership. If you go to the main page, we also have that 1 week trial if you want to check out what our alerts are like. So far we had about more than 85 to 90% profits so far. We've been making money up and down in the markets, calls, shorts, puts, everything. So we had 4 nice big trades, 4 wins. Make sure to grab the membership. You can also check out the trial, and make sure to follow us and click that subscribe button and the like button if this helped you out. I'll be doing more videos like this. We have lots of options trading going on recently, a lot of big profits, and I've been doing swing trading alerts as well for people that don't have options. So options are a great way to make money, but if you prefer swing trading, we have that long term as well, and day trading. So we cover most aspects of trading. Alright guys, hope this video helped you out, and I'll be making more videos, so stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. Alright guys, thanks for watching, have a great trading week.